been some time since I've picked up the camera. It's a little late. It's after work. We're just doing things. I'm pacing. It is Vlogmas day 13. No? Yes, 13. Welcome to Vlogmas day 13. This lighting is horrible. Hi, Daisy girl. What is that? What is it? You want to say hi? Hi, Mama. Oh, no. She apparently is a little camera girl. She loves the attention. You want your belly rubbed. She's been alone for a little while. Chris is running his D&D game, and I just got home from trying to pick up some last minute Christmas gifts, so she wants the attention. But today we are organizing gifts and maybe starting to wrap. So I'm gonna get started on that, probably some cleaning. I could also see this being tied with, I don't know, just a bunch of things. We got a lot to do. We had that party and the apartment was clean, and now we are back to stacks everywhere, mostly because I already started sorting some gifts, but we do need to sort of do a clean sweep again to get ourselves organized and ready for the holiday. So we are gonna do that in a second. I'm gonna go change. I'm still in my work clothes and it's so comfy, but just a little much for what we're doing. So I'm gonna go get changed and then we'll get started. Okay, so we had some company come by, so we couldn't quite film it, but here are all the presents all bagged up. We have stocking stuffers in the small white bag, and then each bag corresponds to like a different set of family members. So those are all packed up, which is awesome. Now they just have to be wrapped, but we had to figure out whether we needed more or not, so we decided to just separate them into bags first. So while we did that, we also watched Elf, which was so fun because we hadn't, oh sorry, my hair's a, disaster, I don't know what's going on. So we watched Elf because we hadn't watched Elf yet, and we love Elf. It's such good, it's so good. It's our favorite Christmas movie. Well, mine at least, one of my favorites. And now we are just, I don't know, getting ready for bed. I think we might watch another movie. We're gonna do our advent calendar treat with Miss Daisy Doodle. Isn't that right? Hi, ma'am. Hi, sweetie pie. She has been so good, but Chris thinks she's getting her winter coat, which I would guess she's never had before because she lived in Puerto Rico, so it doesn't really get that cold there. And so she's shedding like crazy. So I vacuumed the same spot like 3 or 4 times tonight because I was trying to organize, and she just kept like laying in it and shedding. So that's a little silly, but we're doing our best. We're doing the best we can. And yeah, so I think that's all we got for right now, and we'll see what happens when Chris comes back out. Okay.
Right. Day 13. Another day, another bottle of wine.
I got to get my wine box.
Some are beautiful, beautiful, wonderful Aldi and wine, Total Wines. 13.
Found it.
13.
Yeah, I said 13.
I thought I heard you say 14, my bad. Alrighty. And I have a Sauvignon Blanc.
Yay!
There we go. The Snowy Night Series Winter Wonderland Sauvignon Blanc, California. Just like everything else. And this one has a little snowflake on it.
Oh, this is really cute.
What do you have?
Okay, this is something I've never tried before. It's a white, it's a French Colombard. So
I don't know what that is.
I don't know what that is either. I've never heard of that brand of white wine. Not brand, but like type of white wine. So that'll be interesting to try. I'm excited to try this. It's called Wish on a Dandelion, and it's very cute. It's got cute little dandelions. Yeah, so that's cute. Little green font, white, and then the yellow dandelions. This will be very interesting to try. I'll need to do some research, I think, on a few of the types that came in the Wines and More box because I've never heard of them.
Yeah, absolutely.
So, a little curious.
Should be interesting.
Okay, now our added advent calendar, which we forgot to do yesterday, so we'll need to open 12 and 13 today.
Yes, we do. Yes.
I put it on the back table and we forgot.
It's what happens. You get busy, you get into Vlogmas, and there's 13 down there. My day 12 is, okay, This is a cute little one. This is covered in like the traditional red and green that you see in most things. You can definitely tell that this is hand painted because like you can see like the overextending and like the lines are like nowhere near uniform.
This one
I like that.
Is wicked cute.
Oh, that screams
that
Christmas. I'm sorry.
So this one is, again, very Christmas green, and you can tell that it's hand painted as well, but then it looks like it's Christmas lights, which I love. I love things that look like Christmas lights. That is just so cute.
I love that.
I love that.
That could
love
be
that for me.
Yeah, I was gonna say that could be a runner for
favorite
one.
I think so too.
I still think I like the sweater one a little better.
Yeah.
But I
like that one
a
too,
lot.
though.
But without further ado, we did day 12 and beyond, day 13.
Yay, it's me.
We gotta get the rest of those pins and put them in the box.
Oh, I have them in my work bag.
Perfect.
Ah. This one's also open, thank goodness. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Oh, it's the teacup.
That's cute.
Daisy thinks it's fur. You want to sniff it?
Did not
At
taste
least
good.
she does, I have to say. I do appreciate that she recognizes that these things are not food. So she gets excited. She thinks we took out food. She comes up, and when I let her sniff it, she doesn't try to like bite it or eat it or anything. She just like walks away. So I do appreciate that about her. She does understand that this is not food.
Absolutely.
But we got the Wonderland teacups. So it's 4 teacups sort of stacked on top of each other with words underneath. So cute.
Look at that. That's so cute. I really like
I
that.
love that.
I like that a lot.
Back in the box. Yeah, I thought that was so cute.
Absolutely.
And Miss Daisy already had her treats for tonight. Not from her advent calendar, but she had some whipped cream. So
Lots of whipped
you know,
cream today.
we have to balance. She can't have her treat when she had her whipped cream. She doesn't appreciate that, but
No, she's giving us like the dirtiest
as her
look.
parents, we have to put our foot down.
She's giving us like the dirtiest
I know,
look
look
right
at her.
now.
She's like, but where's my treat?
She looks so sad now.
I
Oh no.
know. No, I think
Aw.
she's sitting. Oh,
What a munch.
she's a good girl. She's a good girl. Anyway, on that note, that's what we got for you today.
And we'll see you guys
Vlogmas
tomorrow.
Day 13. Yeah, we'll see y'all tomorrow.
Bye.